Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with one recipe, and it is very tasty and delicious. So we are going to make a corn chat, and I will show you the recap how it has been made. Before going to video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more notifications. Guys, as we have seen over here that we have prepared a corn chat which is very tasty and healthy. So I will show a quick recap of this chat. So basically we have taken the paneer which is already we have fried this paneer. This is onion which is already been chopped. This is tomatoes and lemon which you can see it is also chopped, and we have cut it into small pieces. And this is corn which we have already fried and boiled somewhat for the taste. Okay, so guys, we are adding over here the black pepper. It is 2 small spoons. After that we will be adding over here chili flakes. We will adding this paneer. After that red chili for spiciness. If you don't prefer eating spicy, you can avoid this red chili. And after that we are adding over here the chaat masala. And lastly we are adding all the chopped vegetables, that is onion. If you want, you can also add capsicum to this. This lemon we are adding. This lemon we have taken 1 lemon. Okay, so we will just mix it very well. And you can even make this in morning, taking breakfast. It is usually very heavy, so it is also very good and healthy. Okay, so you can see that we have mixed it very well and how it's looking. Now as a final step we will add in the cheese, that is the processed cheese. Okay, finally we have prepared our corn chaat. You can see this how tasty it is looking, and I'll be just tasting this. Yummy, it is perfectly tasty.